A lot of men get weak or soft erections, and this makes them incapable of satisfying their women sexually. Another common problem that a lot of men suffer with is premature ejaculation. Such problems can leave you embarrassed and humiliated in the bedroom. Not just this, they can also make your woman feel disappointed and dissatisfied. Prescription drugs like Viagra, Cialis and Levitra can help you achieve harder and stiffer erections, but the major problem with such drugs is that they have a lot of negative side effects. However, it is possible to treat erectile disorder with the help of some simple changes in your diet and lifestyle. Here are some simple and effective ways to help you achieve harder and longer-lasting erections. 1. Stop being nervous. Being nervous in the bedroom can take away all the fun, and it can spoil your performance in bed. A lot of men fail to perform because of anxiety and stress. Try to relax and take a few deep breaths. Deep breathing is an excellent exercise to reduce stress and help you control your breathing more effectively. Deep breathing exercises have two main benefits. First of all, they help increase blood circulation in your body that helps you achieve harder and stiffer erections. Secondly, better breath control help you last longer in bed. 2. Skip wearing briefs when you go to bed. While it is important to wear underpants through the day, you must avoid wearing them when you go to sleep. This is because tight underpants can restrict blood flow to the penis and prevent you from achieving a hard and stiff erection. Normally, you get around 4 to 5 erections while you're asleep at night. These erections keep you penis afflush with oxygenated blood and are good for your erectile health. A lot of men wake up with a hard erection in the morning. This is often referred to as the morning wood. It is a barometer of your penis health. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is extremely effective in ensuring better sexual health in men. Swimming is one of the best exercises that can help you achieve harder erections. It not only helps you burn excess fat in your body but also helps you build stamina. More stamina can make you last longer in bed too. A 30-minute swimming session 3 times a week can do wonders for your erections and sex life. Fast or brisk walking is another great way to increase hardness of your erections. As a matter of fact, any aerobic activity that helps you burn at least 200 calories a day can significantly lower your chances of getting ED. Such exercises reduce cholesterol and clear your blood vessels. This helps increase blood flow to the penis so that you can achieve harder and stiffer erections. 4. Try natural penis pills. In addition to the above, it is a great idea to try natural male enhancement pills to improve your performance in bed. Natural pills have come a long way. Some of the finest pills are now formulated with clinically proven and all-natural ingredients to ensure quick and hard erections with zero side effects. Till a few years back, such pills used to include ingredients like yahimbe that were infamous for their negative side effects on your cardiovascular system. This is not the case now. Some of the most powerful pills not come with ingredients such as pomegranate ellagic acid, L-arginine, bioperine, niacin etc. and can help you achieve harder and stiffer erections without side effects. They can also help boost your staying power so that you can last longer in bed.